You can't complain about the weather. It may be a little warm, but
no.
Borderline.
What are you going to do?
Yeah. After the summer we had, mid-80s feel pretty good, don't you think?
They really do.
Actually, a little closer to the upper 80s today, and we are expecting another warm day tomorrow. In fact, we don't see a significant change in the temperature trend coming anytime soon, but at least we may have some rainfall in the area sometime soon. Obviously, none today. You're looking live through the lens of our exclusive Hill Country camera located on our broadcast tower, our KBVO broadcast tower there southeast of Llano. And there you can see the rolling hills out across Llano County where it looks pretty beautiful today. Lots of sunshine. It's 86 degrees back here in Austin at this hour. This is our evening planning forecast. Temperature dropping to about 79 degrees or so at 8 p.m. tonight. At 10 o'clock tonight, looking at a temperature of around 73 degrees. Our temperatures across the area right now, 88 degrees in Llano. It's 86 degrees in LaGrange, 84 degrees up in Georgetown. Lockhart coming in at 86, 88 degrees in the San Marcos area at this hour. So temperatures a little warmer today than they have been most of this week, but again, hard to complain, isn't it? 86 degrees in the city right now. The evenings and mornings are just so nice. Partly cloudy, 86 degrees also out at ABIA. Humidity levels up a little bit. East-southeast wind at 5 miles per hour at Camp Mabry and a variable wind at ABIA at 3 miles per hour. Sunset tonight at 6:53. Had a couple of inquiries about when daylight savings time will come to an end. That doesn't happen this weekend. In fact, it doesn't even happen next weekend, Halloween weekend. It happens the following weekend, so about 2.5 weeks away. I think it's the 7th of November, Sunday the 7th. Mold count, 726 is medium today. Ragweed at 182 is a medium. Our allergy forecast for tomorrow, we should see similar concentrations. Temperatures around Texas, most everybody in the 80s, 78 in Amarillo, 78 degrees in Lubbock. Hard to tell. There's a cold front on the map there. In fact, we hesitate to even call it a front. If anything, it's a very, very weak and dissipating stationary front here lying right across central Texas right now, but not enough moisture to work with to produce any rain showers in our area. Now, that may change. There is an upper-level low-pressure area back here over Southern California. There you see it spinning, and it is going to be kicking out here over the next 2 days. But like we've been talking about over the last couple of days, once it finally does kick out, it's going to lift up to the northeast over Colorado and western Kansas. And so that theoretically could produce some rain showers down here this far south in Texas with a little bit of upper level energy on the south side of that wave of low pressure, but it's not a sure thing. So you'll see in our forecast in a few minutes a 20% chance for Friday. Now, this is kind of interesting and a little different than what we talked about today. After this low moves out into the plains, trough is going to stay behind, but a stronger low may drop down into North Texas on Monday. If that is the case, we could see some thunderstorm activity develop here Sunday evening and maybe linger into Monday morning before that moves on out of here as we go through the day on Monday, then a couple of quiet days. We have been tracking this system out here in the Caribbean for you, and it still looks favorable in terms of the conditions for it to turn into a tropical depression, maybe even a tropical storm over the next couple of days. It's sitting almost stationary right now. A couple of the computer models bring it back west toward the Yucatan Peninsula or western Cuba, and a couple of them as a hurricane toward the weekend. So we will keep our eyes on that one for sure. Okay, tonight, back here at home, this should look familiar. We'll start the morning in the morning just like we have the last several. And then tomorrow afternoon should be much like the last several have been. Tonight, 64 the low with some low clouds coming in and a light and variable wind. Let's go 86 tomorrow with a partly cloudy sky. That chance of rain we'll put in on Friday. We'll keep it at 20% right now. And the weather pattern a little unstable this weekend and so unsettled, I should say. So we can't rule out a rain shower even Saturday. Sunday, Monday time frame, maybe a slightly better chance for a shower or thunderstorm.